GST Council meeting. Amit Mitra's video connectivity was poor, says Anurag Thakur on his voice muzzled accusation. Amit Mitra claimed that when he tried to voice objections after Sitaram announced the GST Council's decision, his voice was muzzled as the secretary brought the meeting to a close and the virtual link was cut off. Union Minister of State for Finance Anurag Thakur on Saturday responded to West Bengal Finance Minister Amit Mitra's accusation that he was not allowed to speak at the end of the GST Council meeting. Mitra claimed that when he tried to voice objections after Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced the GST Council's decision, his voice was muzzled as the secretary brought the meeting to a close and the virtual link was cut off. Push for patent waiver for COVID-19 jabs. One Earth, One Health. Key takeaways from PM Modi's G7 summit address. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has again called for a temporary waiver on COVID-19 vaccine patents. Addressing the G7 summit's outreach session virtually on June 12, Modi states the special responsibility of democratic and transparent societies in dealing with the challenge, an official statement said. India, along with South Africa, earlier asked the World Trade Organization to waive the intellectual property rights (IPR) on coronavirus vaccines, drugs and therapeutics and related technologies. Sale to dissolve RMD Kolkata headquarters, job losses feared. Still, Authority of India is set to dissolve its raw material division headquarters in Kolkata. Sources said on Saturday a decision that would deal a blow to contractual employees associated with the unit. An official announcement to this effect, however, is yet to be made. The company's board has decided to dissolve the RMD and transfer control of its mines to Rourkela Steel Plant, Odisha, and Bokaro Steel Plant, Jharkhand, depending on their location, sources said. Microsoft to end support for Windows 10 in 2025. All you need to know. Microsoft updated Windows Lifecycle Fact Sheet states that the company will end support for Windows 10 Home Pro for workstations and Pro Education on October 10, 2020. Microsoft has announced that it will be end support for Windows 10 in 2025. The company's updated Windows Lifecycle Fact Sheet states that the company will drop support for Windows 10 Home Pro for workstations and Pro Education on October 14, 2025. This means that the US-based tech giant will not release any more updates and security fixes after the date. When Microsoft launched Windows 10, it said that this would be the last version of Windows, but the company's recent teaser confirmed that it will launch Windows 11 by the end of this month. It has listed a new event on its website, which will take place on June 24. At the event, the company will highlight everything that is coming next for Windows. 2022 World Cup qualifiers. Can India end their campaign with a positive goal difference for only the third time in history? India will aim to end their 2022 World Cup qualifying campaign with a positive goal difference for only the third time in history. India lock horns against Afghanistan in their final Group E clash in the second round 2022 FIFA World Cup and 2023 AFC Asian Cup joint qualifiers at the Jassim bin Hamad Stadium in Doha, Qatar on Tuesday. India resumed their campaign on June 3 with a 1-0 loss against Qatar before bouncing back with a 2-0 win over Bangladesh, courtesy of a brace by Sunil Chhetri in their penultimate match of the group stage. While India does not stand a chance to making to it, the next round of the World Cup qualification, they have a very good chance to finish third in the group stage and qualifying directly to the third round of the 2023 Asian Cup qualifiers if they avoid defeat against the Afghans in the final game. Staff reporter Rahul Shotpati.